Hello. Well, I'm very glad that I managed to have this 10th workshop on a 2-day version of the Win by Ethics. And this time around, we actually introduce new aspects to this workshop. And one of the key one was the question of whether the 36 stratagems of Wu Zetian, the only female emperor of Tang dynasty of China, right? Only female emperor, whether her stratagem and her leadership is relevant to the modern world. And we did a survey, a quick hand up survey, and surprisingly, right, majority of them found that her stratagems were relevant. In other words, her leadership approaches and her strategies, with modification of course, may still be applied by female leaders in order to succeed in today's world. Now, have a look at what I've put together on a fast clip on the key aspects of this 10th workshop.